I'm a manufacturing engineer essentially, so I solve manufacturing problems, and I like to think of that as being like an engineering detective. I try and look at what's happening in production and find ways to improve the processes. There's two parts of the role. There's long-term process improvements of we're putting a new process in or we want to completely change something, but also I do day-to-day troubleshooting. Sometimes it can be a production problem that I can go down onto the shop floor and fix it in an hour or two. Sometimes you find out it's the beginning of something much bigger, and some of my projects can take 18 months, 2 years to actually get to the bottom of a really specific, complicated problem. I need to be very analytical and organised. When I'm looking at solving these problems, sometimes it's the tiniest little detail that gives it away. One of the best things about my job is being able to test theories and run lots of experiments and trials. It's like solving a puzzle. It's looking at the information, coming up with an idea of what could be causing it, and then being able to actually experiment and test it out in real life. I also enjoy the working with people and sort of bouncing ideas off people and training them and helping them. I absolutely love travelling the world and usually trying to go to vaguely obscure places and do interesting things. I enjoy playing netball. Over the last few years I've actually got my umpiring qualification. I always liked maths and science when I was little, and I was quite practical. I was always sort of playing around with Lego and trying to nail bits of wood together in the garden and build random things that fell apart the next day. And when I was about 15, a careers advisor suggested engineering, so I did a work experience placement and really enjoyed it. So from that it was just obvious for me that I wanted to be an engineer. One of the challenges in my job, one of the ones that's kind of in a way slightly scary, is when I get a call in production and we've got a really important job going on and I get down there and realise that I don't instantly know the answer. That can be quite scary when you just think, I haven't got a clue how we're going to solve this problem, and then it does occur to you, maybe it's not even possible to do this and we're actually trying to do something that's just not possible at the moment. It's instilling in people that quest for knowledge and sort of striving to improve and make things better. And I think if you've got an engineer's mentality in any aspect of life, then you're just going to make things better.